Hey guys, I'm back again, and this week that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna try to achieve the matrix effect using particle flow. Okay, so well, it's running 15 frames per second here, so I slow it down because when I rendered it, it was a little too fast. That's 30 frames per second. Okay, let's get to it. So first of all, we need to click 6 to get the particle view port, get new particle systems, get standard flow. I'm gonna change this to perspective viewport, and I'm gonna disable this viewport by pressing D. Get back here, push 6 again, get your particle view. But I'm gonna start let's say from minus 20 to 150. No, just to 100. Amount 200, that should be enough. Position the volume, speed, along icon arrow, yeah, rotation. I'm gonna delete the rotation. Shape, I'm gonna delete the shape. I'm gonna change my the shape of my particle flow icon. I'm gonna change the viewport to 100%. I'm gonna change the length. Let's say I'm gonna just put it to 0 right now. I'm gonna change the width to 150. So it will give me this. Okay. I'm gonna add a delete operator here. Delete. I'm gonna delete a particle age. Let's say 30. Yep, I'm gonna lower down the speed. I'm gonna put it at 100. I'm gonna give it a 50 variation. Okay. I'm trying to get a new seed. Another position to new seed. So many. I'm gonna just take it down to 100. Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to add the spawn operator. Spawn test. I'm gonna go spawn test. I'm gonna add the new miscellaneous. I'm gonna just display so we can see it. And I change it to green. Okay, spawn. I'm gonna do it once. I'm gonna do maybe 20 offspring. The inheritance, I'm gonna change it to 20. The variation to 20. And divergence, I'm gonna turn it to 0. Okay, so that's what you get. We need to try to get the green particle here to be as close as to their parent, basically the spawned particle, so it won't be a gap. So basically you need to just up the inheritance. No, that's too much. No. 20. What I did, no, I think it's 80. Okay, let's play this and see what we got. Yep. I think that's good enough. So basically that's what you got here. I'm gonna add this delete to the next event. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna add another display here. And change it to green. Oh, this one I need it to be green. Okay, this one will stay white. Okay, so yeah, basically this is it. Now what you need to do, display, the spawned particles here. I'm going to change it to 10, and some space between them. Okay, now I'm going to add the shape facing on the particle flow source here. I'm going to add the operator shape facing. I'm going to change the display here to geometry on both of them. Okay. Display as geometry. Okay. I'm going to create a camera here. This camera. Okay. Camera. Nope. I didn't use this it's a new search input here in 2014, so I'm just trying to get used to it. So you click X button and you get the search button here. There is search window, and I'm gonna choose camera. But which one the camera I want here? Okay, let's get from the camera. We need the target camera. There we go. So that's like this. You don't have to be going to the control panel every second. And actually, I assigned a shortcut for the control panel. That's why. So every time I click it, I'm gonna get it. It's gonna make it easier and give you more space. The shape facing. I'm gonna pick this camera here. Use parallel line. Okay, get a little bit closer. Okay, maybe a little more closer. Now the speed here. So we try to change it so we can get some more variation. I think 50 should be fine. What I did, 50 should be fine. Let's try the variation. Variation here. Some of these gonna be overlap, but you really wouldn't be able to see it because it's gonna be fast. So I think I'm gonna put it back to 80 here, and the variation I'm gonna put it back to 20. Put the variation 0. No, so it's 20. I wanna change this to quarter frame, and here to quarter frame. Shift F to split the camera view. Okay, I'm gonna try to change it all, give it some depth here. So I'm gonna change it to, let's say, 50. Maybe 100. Let's make it square, make it 150. And I'm gonna change the amount. Let's say put it to 200. Okay, now we need to apply material dynamic to the particles here, to this shape, basically. Band operator, let's say material dynamic, and I'm going to copy this to the next one too. Okay, I click M. I'm going to get my material window here. I'm going to get a new material standards. I'll just get the standard material. I'm gonna what is it? Opacity. I'm gonna assign a map to the master bitmap, and I did this in After Effects. It's just a sequence of letters changing. So I'm gonna use import it as a sequence. Open. Okay, and it's the After Effects project is right here. This is it, and basically all what I did is just one letter, and I just animated the character value here, and I animated it from 91 to 126. That's all what I did, and I just scaled it a little bit to fit the the comp setting, and the comp setting I think is like 400 by 400. I could go lower, but that should be fine. It's fine. So this is it. It's simple, and the font that I'm using, it's Matrix Code NFA. If you just Google it online, you can find it. And I'm gonna change the color here to green. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna paste it. Self elimination. Paste. I'm gonna copy this again. And I'm gonna white and white. So this basically is gonna be the parent material here. And this one gonna be the children material. I'm gonna this one is the parents, so I'm gonna apply this one to it. Okay. Now there is something too that we need. I forget to you guys show to you. It's on the map. On the map here, you need to on the time, you need to sync frames to particle age. Okay. And playback rate, let's change it, let's say to 2. Let's maybe 5. That's 2. Okay, and I'm gonna, this one has the parent material. I'm gonna do the same for this one. I'm gonna apply it to the material dynamic here. Okay, let's give it a quick render here and see what we got. And it is extremely small. So let's get closer. Get closer to it. And give it a render. Yep. Just see where is my, I'm gonna try to fit it to my camera view. Oh, I don't want to change the shape size, because if I change the shape size, they're gonna overlap. So let's do like 2 render. Yeah, you see there is a lot of overlapping. Yeah, actually, you know what? It's not that bad. Let me try to back up a little bit here and render. Okay. I need to play just a little bit with the material dynamic here. I need to make it what I show in viewport. I don't think it will show, but it's a good try. Let's change it to shaded and see if it's gonna show up. No, it didn't. Randomize edge offset. Max offset is 30. Let's render it again. Yep, and we got it. I think this is it. Now, what I want to do, I might up the spawn here. Let's see if I put it to 20 and render it. Back to 10. What I need to do, up the number here, I'll put it to 500. Let me display here. Okay. You know what? It seems like it's falling, so I'm going to change this to 0 here. Go back to perspective viewport and see what we got. Maybe I need to raise my camera a little bit higher here. Spawn is in. I'm gonna just change the display to dots very quick. I'm gonna just work on it more. Space, ticks. I'm gonna try to change the speed. 150. Spread out a little bit more, and delete by age here. I'm going to change it to 50, and this one here too, I'm going to change it to 50. Okay. Let's get close up. Alright, I think this is it. I'm gonna just animate it very quick and I'm gonna show you the final output that we came up with. Alright. Okay, well, I just rendered it very quick and this is what we end up with. It's a little too fast, so all that you gotta do is just slow down your the speed. Actually, I turned down the frame rate to 10 frames per second because the 30 frames per second is extremely fast. So all that you gotta do is just lower down the speed of the operator coming down, and this should do it. Or just leave it the same, and after you can lower it down in your post-production. I'm gonna take it like very quick to After Effects. I'm gonna get it, try to load it here and then apply some glow to it or something. Okay, create. stylize, add some glow to it, and maybe glow radius. And this is it. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something today.